I came to this country in 1987, and what London taught me or gave me opportunity to become a better person on a day-to-day basis. So when I started Blackhorse Lane, when I looked at general jeans making, I wasn't happy. As a tailor, I wasn't happy with it. When I look at a garment, my only aim is how could I improve the construction? Without that, I can't exist. So I said, I'm going to make one of the best jeans in the world.
When I lived in London 25 years ago, Covent Garden was hot. It was all about that area. There was cool things going on. And there was a real passion because at that time, the denim scene was really waking up and coming alive. The denim movement has changed a lot since the time I was living here. And I think now what Hans created with Blackhorse Lane, and I think his passion for craftsmanship and workmanship, I think that's exactly what we should be doing with denim today.